welcome to Spice Dhamal. Today I have got a magic powder for you. You must be wondering, what is this magic powder? A pinch of this powder is going to not only enhance taste and flavor of your dishes you make, doesn't matter if it's a veg dish or a non-veg dish, and it is also going to increase your immunity. So what is the name of that magic powder? The magic powder is called Garam Masala. You must be wondering why it is called Garam Masala. It is not because we heat up the spices. As per Ayurveda, consumption of these spices heats your body from within. It makes it garam or hot, and that kills most of the bacteria or germs or infections. That's why in a difficult time of corona, it is essential to consume these spices in your everyday meal. So I'm going to show you this magic powder which can help you boost your immunity also. So these are the spices for our garam masala. I have taken a small quantity only because garam masala, once you make it in large quantity and store, it loses its power over the days. So always make a small quantity which you can consume in 7 to 10 days only. And since we are making it in small quantity, we don't have to dry roast them or anything. We're just going to add them to a blender straight away. So let us see what all spices we have taken for this. So the first one is one badi ilaichi or black cardamom. Then you have shahi jeera or cumin. You have long or a clove, black peppercorn or kali miri. You have star anise or chakri fool. You have your cinnamon, or also known as dalchini. You have tej patta or bay leaf. You have your sauf or anise seeds. You have javitri. The flowers of javitri is also known as mace. You have some ajwain or caraway seeds. Some green cardamom. These are the two special spices which are part of my garam masala. Every chef has their special spices which he uses in his blend of garam masala. So for me, it is these two. If you have them available at your home, please let me know in your comment box, because I am going to reserve the name of these two spices till the end of the video. But trust me, they are indigenous to India and one of the best spices to use in your garam masala. So let us grind them to a fine powder in a smallest jar of your mixer grinder. I am taking first the cinnamon and breaking it into small pieces because this is quite a hard spice, so that helps while grinding. Let us add our bay leaves after that. Just break them coarsely. Star anise, javitri, and then we can just take the paper. I have deliberately used the paper so we can just slide all the spices inside and let us make a fine powder out of it. So our garam masala powder is ready, and what a fragrance. This pinch of this you can use in any of your recipes. Add it towards the end, add it to your marinations, and you will see the magic, how the taste transforms. So let us add this to a dry airtight container so it is preserved nicely, and this quantity is good enough for me for 7 to 8 days. So this way we will add a lid on it. So our garam masala powder is ready. Let me know if you like to see more of such a masala powder to be made on the channel, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, share it with your friends. Do write to us in comment box how do you feel, which recipes you like. And I almost forgot, I have to give you my secret spices. So here are they. Okay, so this one in my right hand, this one is called tirfal or tepal, native to the Konkan region, and it comes from the spice family of Sichuan pepper in China. It adds a lemony and a spicy taste to a dish. And the other one is called patthar ka phool or dagad phool as it is known in Marathi, and it is used to give a nice earthy aroma to a dish. So these were the magic spices. So see you soon.